For me, it was a clarification of life purpose. Something that was already in me that I had been avoiding, that I had not believed was mine. And the conscious mind's involved, the physiology's involved. That's what's unique about it. It's a very integrated process. It's very different. It's unique.
When you did it in about 10 minutes, it felt like very, very fast. It was just like, I got it. And you just walked me through the process so I could say, oh my God.
Hi, I'm Dr. Michael Craig, and this is Soma Craig. I'm author of a book called The Logical Soul. It's available on Amazon, and it goes into my story and the story of the development of the logical soul. I'm just muscle testing to find out whether or not the subconscious is communicating with us. It's a very simple lie detector test. It's a way to find out whether the subconscious is on board with the conscious mind. For example, I could have her make a statement that, say, my name is Soma.
My name is Soma.
Oh, that happens to be true. Say, my name is George.
My name is George.
Oh, and she's going to go weak. Each of us have this built-in lie detector test. Now, the reason that's important is because logical soul depends on this process as feedback so that we can get in touch with and access something called hidden decisions that lie deep in the subconscious mind that essentially run our lives. And so if your life is not the way you want it to be right now, and people who come to us with problems, either relationships, health, money, and so forth, have certain problems or certain blocks that they're trying to get past. Now, if you're having problems with these things, it's because you have a subconscious decision running that allows that process or that reality to be in place. Without that subconscious decision, that reality begins to melt, and you begin to see beyond that, and you can start having a better life, a different life. Muscle testing is an important tool, but it's primarily for you. We need you to understand that when you see something going on, like when you see, for example, that you choose to have a relationship and you go weak, it tells you, your subconscious mind is telling your conscious mind, this is not true. You begin to wake up to your subconscious programming, find out what's going on so that you can change that. The reason you haven't been able to change it before is probably because you don't have access to that decision. If the decision maker says, no, you don't have access to this, your conscious mind is stuck. I found this quite by accident in the mid-90s when I stumbled across this idea called access, and it revolutionized the whole process. And we came up with a process that really made a difference for most people. And you can watch some of the testimonials to find out how people's lives have changed.
It changed our lives for sure, and we would not be married without that work. Because I think that the more energy you have in a relationship, the more what is not love will show up. And with Logical Soul, these obstacles suddenly become blessings.